How to deactivate Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily deactivate your Instagram account. Now after the latest update, it's quite simple. First, you'll have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. Once you have done so, you can go ahead and open up Instagram, tap on the profile at the bottom right corner, and then you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Once you have done so, you can see the very first option, account center. You want to tap on it. And here you can see personal details option below account settings. So you want to tap on it, where you'll find the option account ownership and control. So you want to simply tap on it, and then you want to simply tap on deactivation or deletion. You can see I have two accounts linked. So since you want to deactivate your Instagram account, simply tap on Instagram account there. Make sure the blue check mark here is on deactivate account. If you select the delete account option, your account will be processed for deletion. So you want to make sure it's on deactivation. Tap on continue, enter in your reasons and enter in your password to confirm, and then your account will get deactivated. You can reactivate it anytime by heading over to the login page and entering in your login credentials and logging in to your account. So this way you can deactivate Instagram account. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.